Alright boys, here's how to make this anabolic, cheesy, creamy chicken. Stole the recipe from Cousin Crypto. Cut up your chicken breast and put it in the air fryer. These are the 3 specific ingredients you need. Stop sleeping on the Greek yogurt. It tastes like sour cream, but it's high in protein. Add the fat-free cheese. Add some Frank's Red Hot. The more the better. Stir it up and you're left with this creamy, cheesy sauce or whatever. Once your chicken's cooked, pour it on top and then put it back in the air fryer for a few minutes. Maybe like 2 or 3, I don't know. Next, we got the microwavable rice. This stuff's way better than Uncle Ben's, trust me. Put your rice in a bowl and then put your creamy chicken on top. Mix it all together. I know it looks like dog food, but it's good, trust me.